Hey, Kerry Russell here from the blog mechanic.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily back up your WordPress website using a tool called Manage WordPress. Now, I absolutely love this backup tool. I've been using it since I founded my business in 2015 to back up and manage websites for clients that I work with on my website care plans. And I can highly recommend it to you. Now, with that said, you don't need to have multiple websites to use this tool. You can use it just for one website. There's also a free backup version or a premium backup version. And you can get started for free. And if you do choose the premium backup version at just $2 per month, you don't pay a single penny until the end of the billing period. So on my screen right now, you're looking at a demo website that I'm going to use to show you how to back up your website using Manage WordPress. So to get started with Manage WordPress, just go to managewp.com and you'll see a screen like the one on my screen right now. Now, of course, I already have an account, so I'm not going to sign up again. But the sign up process is really simple. You just click the sign up free button, follow the prompts, so you'll enter your name, your email address, your website URL, etc. Then you'll be asked to confirm your subscription via email. Once you've confirmed it, you can then log in to your account. So before I log into my account, what I'm actually going to do is go to my WordPress admin area, and I'm going to install the Manage WordPress plugin. You can install the plugin automatically via the Manage WordPress dashboard, but I just find it's more successful when you do it this way. So from my dashboard area, I'm just going to install the plugin like I would any other plugin. So go plugins, add new. When I can type, just search for Manage WordPress. It'll be the top result. Click Install Now. Activate the plugin once it's installed. And once it's activated, you want to scroll down and look for the Manage WordPress Worker plugin. Now to the right hand side, you'll see a link, Connection Management. Just click that link and you'll get a connection key. Click Copy. So once you've copied the connection key, I'm going to go to Manage WordPress and actually log into my account now. So if you haven't created an account at this point, then if you get yourself signed up while I log in, that would be great. So after entering your details, sometimes it does take 20-30 seconds to log in to the system. Excuse me. Excuse me very much. So once you're logged in, of course, you're not going to see loads of websites because it's a new account. But to add your website, in the top left corner, just click the plus icon, go to Add Website, and then you want to enter the URL of your WordPress website. And if you're using HTTPS, please make sure you enter that. If not, just enter HTTP and then click Add Website. Now you're going to click the Use Connection key instead. The connection is just more reliable. So paste in the connection key that we just copied a moment ago and click Add Website. Now Manage WordPress will do its thing in the background to communicate to your WordPress website so it can establish a connection. But it shouldn't take too long. Okay, once the connection has been established, just click the Go to Website dashboard. Now, I have installed the plugin previously for a tutorial I was doing with the demo website, but right now you will see a message, right now where it says backup, this green button will say activate, okay? So you want to click, in fact, let me deactivate the backups. so I can show you what I mean. How do I deactivate backups? Okay, so I can't deactivate them. Okay, so I'll go back to the dashboard. Basically, in the backup section, this button will say activate. Click activate, and then you'll be able to choose between the free backups or the premium backups for $2 per month. Just make your choice and then click the OK button. And you'll then see a message saying your first backup is in progress. Okay? Now, once your first backup has been made, if you click the View Backups button, you can then see a Restore Backup. So if anything unexpected does ever break your WordPress website, to back it up, to restore it, all you have to do is click this Restore Backup button. Just wait a few minutes and, it will all happen on automation. So that is how you back up your WordPress website using Manage WordPress. If you're watching this video on YouTube and you have any questions about Manage WordPress, then I'm always happy to help. So leave them below in the comment section. If you're watching this video on my WordPress website as part of the website speed tutorial, and you have any questions about Manage WordPress or backing up your website, then please leave your questions in the comments box below. So that's it from me, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.